Hey everyone, it's Ariana, and I just realized my culinary idol, Chef Gordon Ramsay, followed me on
Ariana,
TikTok.
do you know what you're doing now?
Yes, Chef!
Let's go.
Yes, Chef!
When I was 12 years old, I had the life-changing opportunity to learn from Chef Ramsay on season 6 of MasterChef Junior, and to celebrate this very exciting moment, I decided to recreate his notoriously difficult signature dish, the beef Wellington. Chef Ramsay, if you're watching this, it would mean the world to me if you reacted to this video and let me know how I did. Step 1 is to season a filet mignon steak with salt and pepper and then sear it in the pan, which is the first layer of flavor. Then you make the mushroom duxelle, which is basically blended up mushrooms that you saute to get rid of all the water. To start assembling the Wellington, we add a layer of Parma ham on top of a sheet of plastic wrap, then we add the duxelle, and then the steak using the plastic to wrap it tightly and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Then I brushed the layer of puff pastry with egg wash to help it stick, wrapped the beef Wellington in the puff pastry, and then scored it and sprinkled it with a little bit of sea salt. The welly bakes at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes and then rests for 10. Finish with the red wine reduction sauce, and chef, I hope I made you proud.